So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video what we're going to do is we're simply going to create our own LCM calculator. So again I repeat, this is for beginners who are just beginning, who are just thinking to begin their Python journey. Okay, so this we'll create this by the help of one module named math that's by default installed when you're installing Python. Okay, so my first line of code will be a comment that will be #LCM. Okay, now we'll import math. Okay, since we are creating something that needs this math module, so we need to import it as well. Okay, so define one variable naming a. Okay, import enter first none. Okay, and I want to print one statement to make it more precise. That will be LCM Calculator, so that it looks a bit professional. Okay, \n so that this A is input, like the incline, this statement comes in the next line. Okay, again \n so that the next line of input statement just comes in the next line. And yeah, again I want to tell you that it will just give you the LCM of two numbers. Okay, not more than that. So don't think that first ask us for that how much numbers we want the input. Okay, and then it will just ask us for that amount of numbers. No, it's just simple. Okay, only two numbers, and change this first to second and change this to B. Okay, now we want to type, we have to typecast. Okay, we have to do typecasting. Integer of A, then B equals integer of B. Okay, now they're like typecasted. Now what we have to do is we have to define one more variable C. What it will do is, now it will call this math model for taking out the LCM of A and B. Okay, so math dot, here you can see LCM is at the top. Hit enter, A and B. Okay, so save it, and yeah, last line will be print C. Yeah, okay, one \n. Okay, so let's see what it gives us. Okay, LCM calculator, find till here, let's say 56, let's say 75. Oh, so I accidentally hit it 2 times. I hit the enter button twice, so don't mind it. And it's 4200. And if you want to confirm, okay, how can we? It's easy. Just open your command prompt, type Python, so that it just enters into Python. So now we have to import math again. Okay, now math dot LCM. What were the numbers? Let me just check. 56 and 75. 56 comma 75 bracket close, enter, 4200. Same, they both are the same. Okay, so we are done with it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. See you guys in the next video.